Yeah, sure. Alright guys, so we're gonna be taking this for the bumper removal, 2021, same thing. Remove these two Phillips right here, there's one underneath. I got this cool gadget right here, the right angle is what it's called. It's on Amazon for like 20 bucks. Honestly, it's the best. It saves me like 5 minutes trying to hassle down with this. You don't gotta remove the wheel or anything. So just like that, see, it fits perfectly. Look at that, look how quick that was. I'm starting to love these tools. Put that right there, and then one in the bottom. Probably won't see it in the camera now because it's a little bit dark. Let's try to feel it first.
You said the top one, you can't get it with the drill.
Alright, so when you come back, you want to make sure you remove that right there, this one, and this one, and then there's going to be two push tabs right here. One is right here, and one is right here. So once you have those removed, we'll go from there. I didn't make this completely like put together because I gotta connect the bumper lights to this. So you could take this piece off and just take one out from here. Obviously you're gonna need the tail lights for it. That's why I didn't put it back together. Let's go do that. Take the bumper off. All right. So when you come here, 3 Phillips screws are out. Everything from the bottom, the push tabs are out. So you want to grab this and you want to push any plastic trim tool. Get closer, it should pop right out just like that. You don't want to pull it right away because you need these clips. Force them down a little bit, and then the rest is just like that on its own. Do the same thing on the other side, and then once that's done, you just want to pull it towards you. See how this one's open right here? So there's clips right here that's really tight. So once you open it halfway from this side as well, you just pull it towards you, it should open right up, and then slowly put it down on the floor. Put something on the floor if you have. If not, get a cardboard or something, put it on the grass, whatever, it works.
Or get dirty.
Alright guys, so that's how it is right there. Make sure it fits. We got the cord ones, so the cord's on the right side. That's how I would know. Alright, so it's just 3 screws here, 1, 2, and 3, and I hide the connector here for now, but it's going to be connected to this piece right here, and the rest is just plug and play with the taillights. I'll show you guys in the end. And yeah, it's right there. It's from the stock ones, just 3 screws. And if you're going to be doing quad tips or anything like that, and you want to get rid of the exhaust tips, the fake ones, just like a finish, it's 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3. And once those are removed, this thing will drop right down, so you could take it off in advance. So this way you're not paying the guy 40-50 bucks to remove it for you. He might just cut it off for you, not even remove it by bolts. So you can get rid of that and get yourself quad tips and have that installed. Here,
Yeah.
it's on.
Every time I try to make a video, this mosquito stop biting me.
Alright guys, so now we have this on. We got to remove the few mosquitoes here coming up now. Getting dark. Then kind of pop it out, and this got to be connected here real quick to plug and play right here. So what you got to do is connect this piece right here. Disconnect the tail lights. All right, and then you can't mess this up because they could only go one way. Just like that. It's the plug and play one. Nope.
Good question.
Yeah.
When I put on the reflectors, they have like a little gap here.
Yeah, they all do. They all do. It's alright.
It's fine?
Yeah, they all do. Just
Alright.
a little bit. Nothing bad
crazy.
happens. So
Yeah, it's fine.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then this one right there. Sew it in. And then you just want to grab the excessive, like that. You want to like zip tie it or tape it in the corner, then put it back in. All right, and we'll test it out. Got it. That's it. All right, guys, they are installed. So just hit that unlock button. Lock. Yeah. When he finds his keys.
I can't.
Just open the door, I guess. It's the mosquitoes, bro. Alright, there you have it. See that? That's how it works. It's perfect. Again, subscribe if you haven't already. We got this installed on a 2021 Honda Accord Sport. What we got to do next, honestly, is a T10 diffuser. Let's see if that works out really good. We did remove the exhaust tips that I showed you earlier, remember? Because it's going to put quad tips there. So we're going to go ahead and install the T10 diffuser on a 2021 Honda Accord. Stay tuned, keep watching. There's some awesome content coming up. In case you're a new subscriber, I appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel.
What time you guys gonna work?
Check this out.
What time you guys working tomorrow?